Hello, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I'll review the manual cycle adjust input for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. Manual cycle adjust allows you to run the pump at a set motor speed, pump speed, for a set amount of time, duty time, after which the pump will pause for a set amount of time, cycle time. This cycle will repeat until you press the stop button. To enable manual cycle adjust, open the app drawer, select manual cycle adjustment, select settings to configure the manual cycle adjustment settings. Set the output, set duty time, and set cycle time. Confirm by selecting save. Note, the output will match the pump's current setting. To change it, start the pump, press the green output bar until the desired output is displayed. Stop the pump, select settings to adjust the desired output. Note, manual cycle adjust will not operate in remote-only mode. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.